Alrighty, welcome back to Large Scale Diorama Works, where actually I'm going to do diorama work for a change. Yeah, some of you guys were like, hey, this is a diorama page. Go back over to the action figure page. Anyway, some of you guys were commenting about the brickwork and showing me your stuff, and you guys are getting there. You guys are awesome. Some of your stuff is just amazing. One other detail that I can do is the double layer brick. And if you've noticed, after I do my single layer brick on the sticker styrofoam, I'll take my brick measure device, which is a 1/2 inch by 1 inch, actually a little bit less than 1/2 inch and a little bit less than 1 inch, Home Depot size. And you know, I'll use this to scale the brick out, and I've got the width of the length of the bricks already marked, so I can do all that. So what I'll do is I'll turn sideways and lay it sideways, lay the stick sideways, and draw 2 layers of brick thickness wise as far as depth. And then what I'll do is I'll take my trusty expandable blade here, and what I'll do is I'll cut down the center of one. And be careful when you want to shorten that blade up a little bit. You don't want to snap the blade, so shorten that blade up a little bit and break it out. There you go. That'll give you, and you can just go ahead and snap a lot of this out. There you go. See, there you go. Simple as that. And then with that expandable blade again, go in there and clean up that edge, and you want to kind of a void in between the 2 layers. Make it look like 2 layers. Anyway, so when you get your first layer of brick down, start on the second one. And also, if you've noticed, my grout lines, they're altered a little bit. So for every grout line, between these 2 grout lines, you want a grout line. Between these 2, you want it to augment it or to adjust it up a little bit where it's halfway in between the brick, okay? And then do the same thing. And on the ends, same thing. You want to get your end cap bricks and just snap it out. So anyway, but that's an idea I had. And again, that's very simple stuff, especially for this thicker styrofoam here. And I'll come back and I'll show you another way to make these bricks uneven. One way, you can take the edge of your stick there, and you can take and press down at an angle. Press down at an angle, because the styrofoam has a memory, if you remember what I'm saying, has a memory, and come back and flip it around, and you want to keep doing it. You know, push that brick down. So I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's actually made a little bit of texture and push the bricks in. Anyway, next video is going to be actually making bricks turned out and laying around. So anyway, but remember, get your edges here with the V notches on the edges as well, okay? Alrighty. Chime in if you've got any questions.